Why is TMDL important for water quality? Imagine a river flowing through farmland, carrying nutrients and chemicals from the fields into lakes and streams. Now picture how too much of these pollutants can harm aquatic life and water safety. That's where a total maximum daily load, or TMDL, comes into play. It's a science-based plan that sets the highest amount of a pollutant a water body can handle each day and still stay healthy. TMDLs are essential because they help us understand how much pollution is too much. When water bodies receive more nutrients, sediment, or chemicals than they can naturally process, they become impaired. This can lead to problems like algae blooms, fish kills, and unsafe drinking water. The Federal Clean Water Act requires states to identify these impaired waters and develop TMDLs to fix them. The process starts with collecting data on water quality and pollution sources. Experts look at rivers, lakes, and streams that don't meet safety standards and list them for action. They then figure out what pollutants are causing trouble, where they come from, and how much the water can tolerate without harm. This helps create a clear limit for pollution levels. A TMDL isn't just a number, it's a detailed plan. It identifies all pollution sources, whether they come from factories, wastewater treatment plants, or runoff from farms. For agricultural runoff, the plan might set limits on how much nitrogen or phosphorus can enter the water from fields. This could lead to changes like reducing fertilizer use, planting cover crops, or installing buffer strips along waterways to filter runoff. TMDLs also include a safety margin to account for uncertainties and future growth. They break down the total pollution limit into parts assigned to different sources. This way, farmers, industries, and communities know exactly how much they can contribute to pollution reduction efforts. These plans turn scientific data into practical steps. They help guide policies and actions that improve water quality. For example, a TMDL might requiring farmers to adopt better fertilizer practices or install sediment traps to reduce runoff. This makes pollution control more targeted and effective. The real power of TMDLs is that they provide measurable goals. We can track progress over time and see if pollution levels are dropping. If not, strategies can be adjusted to do better. This ongoing process helps restore and protect water bodies for everyone. In the end, TMDLs are vital because they connect science with real-world solutions. They give us a clear path to reduce pollution from agricultural runoff and other sources. This ensures our water remains safe, clean, and healthy for all living things that depend on it.